turn on that Challenger camo, be dripping the fits in the shoes. The latest, don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked out to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe big over.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, that's Brando, driving in the camo, back again with another video. As you see the title thumbnail, bro, I'm trying something different. I'm driving out here in Barnesville, Georgia. If y'all don't know, it's like a small town, small city, the country. Giving y'all this content, man. So while we're here, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Brando gang, like this video, we're on road to 5K, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of the video, man. So I'm gonna turn it back on once we get to this car meet, man. Hopefully there's some good cars out here, you know what I'm saying? Being down on the south side of the country, I still wanna see my Hellcats, my track cars, but I know I'm gonna see a lot of box Chevys, a lot of Capris, a lot of old school. So once we get down here, I'm gonna turn it back on, man. We're gonna see what's here, man. So yes, sir. All right, bro, we just touched down. Not that many cars out here. It's an old school. My boy GA Suspects. So hey man, I see a lot of old school, man, not too much new school. So I'm gonna show you what's around, man. I'm gonna go and hop out, man, talk to the good people and see what's out here, man. Go and get right, yes sir.
Hey, let that shit ride, tub. Hey. Let's do it. Hey. Hey, I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ, ayy. Fuck on you bitch, cut out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay, ayy. Hey, chop to your head like a 10 fade, ayy. Nigga be talking, ain't killed nothing, ayy. Creep on it block like a hobo, ayy. Told the boy link up, you know he a no-show. Bitch suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch no. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in it big going hard, get my rocks off. Swing stick just like taco, ayy. Don't try me, you know I'ma pop out, ayy. She can get hot like hot sauce, ayy. And you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let's do it. I don't fuck with these niggas, they hoe. Crying about that bitch, cause it bitch fuck the bro. Free bitch suck this bitch, curl my toe, have emotion, paper, rolls. I got this shit on lock, in control. Ayy, when I get rich, rock out the show. Ayy, got quiet in the back and it bitch with the pole. Too much paper in my pocket, won't fold. Ayy, too much paper in my pocket finna bust. I ain't with all the talking, I ain't even finna fuss. Ayy, keep the bitch out, told the bitch catch the bus. Can't name that bitch, I trust. Ayy, I got the gas, what you want, you a 3-5. My nigga step good, just like some knee high. Hiding in the crib like a beehive. Ayy, walk down on the all smooth as some feet. I had to drop out of school cause I want me some paper. Plane get stepped on like escalator. Ayy, fuck nigga play, leave him stink like a neighbor. Nigga stay watch your corn mouth with call me cable. I ain't got it, you broke, can't do you a favor. On the barber, why cause I give you a tape. Got a thick ass bitch in the room giving face. Bitch won't relate, I told the bitch I'm play. I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ, ayy. Fuck on you bitch, cut out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay, ayy. Ayy, chop to your head like a 10 fade, ayy. Nigga be you know he a no-show, bitch suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch no. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in it big going hard, get my rocks off. Swing stick just like taco, ayy. Don't try me, you know I'ma pop out, ayy. She can get hot like hot sauce, ayy. And you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let's do it. Ayy, these niggas be pussy, ayy. Let's do it, ayy. Ayy, creep on it like a hobo, ayy. Ayy, tell the boy link up, you know show, ayy. Let's do it. Hey.
Bro, 12 be tripping, bro. Trust, they tripping.
Hey. Let's do it. Hey, I'm from Alabama, 205, where the fuck nigga live and the real niggas die. Hey, I ain't shit sweet, so you know I ain't pie. Let a fuck nigga play in the switch, go 5. Hey, Kobe in the back, getting geek, going skydive. Beat the bitch down, think the big guy high drive. Scratch that, beat the bitch down till she start whining. Hey, it's time to slide, so the seat I'ma recline. If a fuck nigga play, man, you know I'ma push up. Hey, Drake get it spin like the bitch got the hiccup. Hey, nigga be broke, can't even pick the bitch up. Uber, teach her how to slide on the tool. Hey, clip on the bitch shit, look like a ruler. Hey, stay with my dog like Chico Pool. Hey, bitch got ass and titty work at Hooters. Hey, I don't want the bitch better out with a cougar. Hey, nigga try to play, but you know I'm a sim. Tell the truth for the odds.
I'm going full? Yeah, boy, straight.
Hey, been having most plenty chill life. I ain't had to cut the bitch out cause she act like she sang. Got a new hoe, play with my balls. Hey, show slam the pack, reverse, seen her. Hey, she ain't tryna fuck, I don't even wanna mingle. Hey, for the bitch good, now the bitch got a tinkle. Hey, out of that bitch got a swat of my penis. Hey, beat up the beat like Ike and Tina. Hey, first nigga play on guy, you gon' meet him. Hey, foul the black for my bitch smoke shisha. Hey, I'm high as a bitch, but I don't need smoke. Hey, let's go. Hey, nigga just started this shit. If you wanna be rich, put your heart in this shit. Hey, know some nigga went left, they ain't a part of this shit. If you ride from me, ride like a Harley and shit. Hey, rock out with a stick going gnarly and shit. Hey, shit, nigga, I don't like the party and shit. Ain't even money print, so don't be tardy and shit. Hey, stick blowing guy like he farted and shit. Let's go. Alabama, 205, where the fuck nigga live and the real niggas die. Hey, ain't shit sweet, so you know I ain't pie. Let a fuck nigga play in the switch, go 5-5. Hey, Kobe in the back, getting geek, going skydive. Beat the bitch down, paint the bag out, high drive. Scratch that, beat the bitch down till she start whining. Hey, it's time to slide, so the seat, I'ma record. If a fuck nigga play, man, you know I'ma push up. Hey, Drake get it spin like this bitch got the hiccup. Hey, nigga be broke, can't even pick the bitch up. Uber, teach how to slide on my tool. Hey, clear on the bitch shit, look like a ruler. Hey, stay with my dog like Chico Poodle. Hey, bitch got ass and titty work at Hooters. Hey, I don't want the bitch better out with a cougar. Hey, let's do it. Hey, I don't want the bitch better out with a cougar. Hey, I don't want the bitch better with a cougar. Hey, I don't want the bitch. Hey. The way that I flow, man, this shit is outrageous. I can go fast, the rest of me like the pavement. The bitch said she love me, I told her be safe. Hey, I don't wanna hear it, let's get to this paper. I don't wanna hear it, let's get to this dough. Fuck on the bitch and the bitch gotta go. Hey, I'm in this bitch like a fart finna blow. I told her bitch shut up, just give me your throat. I told her bitch shut up, just give me your face. If a nigga want smoke and get blow like a vape, I ain't saving no bitch, I ain't got no cake. They told me to drop, man, I told them just wait. These niggas be eating, but they still on my plate.
Bro, you can never have a nice event, bro. You see 12 in the back, bro, they shutting it down. Unfortunately, bro. What you think, bro? Why they shutting it down, bro?
They just, hey, man, don't want to get a little too deep.
Hey, bro, we can't do nothing right. You see 12 back here, they pulled up, they trying to shut it down, man, so it's crazy. I'm gonna try to get some more footage, though. Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all stop playing, man. Y'all pull up on them, man. Oh, God, she got them drinks, man. Where we at? Stop playing. Oh, God. She got them good drinks, man, for real. We got the, you know what I'm saying, the building, a little bit of sun, a little bit of blue motherfucker. And this bitch right here, they ain't no joke, though. And she got Corona. So stop playing, man. Shot with her. What if I ain't with? That girl sucks. Yeah, that. Yes, sir. Y'all stop playing with her. Oh, God.
Check it out. You gotta check it out.
Oh, I need about 3 of these.
Bro, no.
I rock in the club, bitches loving my freak. They wanna fuck, man, I told her be.
Bro, don't you hate when the police come and ruin all the fun, especially when nothing going on? That is so annoying, bro. I hate that. I hate that. Barnesville police, you're trash. We wasn't doing nothing wrong. It was good vibes, no violence. Everybody was just chilling. And more people literally were pulling up, man. I wish I could show the rest of the cars that pulled up, man, but bro, they tripping, bro. That really just pissed me off, man, because we really wasn't doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? For y'all to pull up and just shut it down for no reason, it was just crazy. So I'm gonna go grab me something to eat because I'm hungry. Yes, sir. Hey, check my little bro out, man. My little boy pulled up on me at the gas station. Ooh, got the rims. Bro, I remember when this nigga was this small, bro. He was like 3, I remember he was 3 years old, bro. Now look at him, bro. Look at him, bro. Years later, bro, my boy showing out. Boy, go crazy, boy. No cap. That boy snap. I give it to him. Give it to him. Congrats, little bro. Oh, God, boy, that Jackson right there for you. Hey, bro, I got my McDonald's, large fry, Sprite, double cheeseburger. You gotta have the Red Bull, but the Sprite, boy, that's acid. But it ain't no Sprite, this is acid, you feel me? Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to the channel on the road to 5K. I'm gonna eat this McDonald's. I'm out, man. See y'all later. Yes, sir.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.